how to get a refund from Uber Eats. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Uber Eats. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get a refund on Uber Eats, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the help menu. If you're on your phone, tap the three lines in the top left corner or go to the orders section and select help. Step 2. Click on the order you need assistance with, then select help with an order or past order. Step 3. Choose the issue category such as food damage or quality issue. Step 4. Select refund the entire order, tick the box and click next. Step 5. Pick the reason for your refund. For example, if the food arrived cold, select food temperature issue. Choose the option that matches your situation. Step 6. Submit the request. You may need to wait 5 minutes to 24 hours for a response. Step 7. Check the support messages section in the help menu to confirm the resolution. Once approved, the refund will be processed back to your payment method. So that's how you can get a refund on Uber Eats. That's all for this video.